oras ngayon is 4:15 ng umaga dito sa Netherlands.
Very sleepy, but I'm going to work, yeah. That's how I'm starting my vlog today. Really like...
Yeah, but at least we didn't... Ah, yeah, you see? I saw it also, that today it's a thunderstorm this morning.
Morning?
It will gonna start 5, but later also it will gonna keep raining.
Our fence.
It's here.
Fence.
Fine. Okay guys, let's go. Bago mag-start yung ulan. Kakarating lang namin guys dito sa office. Inabutan kami ng ulan. Mabuti na lang hindi malakas. So, hindi kami masyado nabasa. So, si husband nasa loob para kunin yung keys ng truck.
Gates opening?
Yes. Let's go. That's our truck. So, ilalagay ko lang itong taco card. Okay. Ito naman, kailangan namin what trailer, babe?
Look there.
So, ito guys yung order namin. Mabuti na lang, niload namin kahapon yung mga goods. Hindi na kayo nag-load. So, diretso na kami sa company para i-deliver yung goods. Hinihintay ko na lang ulit muna yung tubig at makapagtimpla ng kape and then magbiyahe na kami. Karating lang namin dito sa company. And nandun si husband. So, nito kami sa Maineto. So, nag-register lang si husband sa my office. So, this is our first unloading address, which is Krefeld, Germany.
Good rainy morning.
Yeah. Now it's already have lights.
And when I come inside, it was all dark like in us.
Exactly.
But now,
Look at that sky. So guys, we are now arrived to the second address. We are here in Radivot, Germany. It's difficult to pronounce. Actually, nakatulog ako sa biyahe. Nagising lang ako nung nag-stop na si husband. And then after this, we still have another address in Erkrath, Germany. So there we will gonna load water to deliver in Alkmaar, Netherlands. Pero hindi kami yung magde-deliver. So, deliver siya next day, hindi tomorrow.
Там нет, но они довольно развратные.
now it's very good and the GPS brings me.
Hi guys! So, nag-order kami ng Burger King. So, yung in-order namin is 2 burger. Tig-isa kami ni husband. And nag-order ako nitong lemonade instead ng Coke. And then we have medium price. So, nandito kami ngayon guys sa gas station. So, mag-stay kami today sa truck. Yung oras ngayon is... Yung oras ngayon? 6:40 dito sa Germany. So, dito kami sa Germany today. So, dito kami mag-stay. Malapit kami sa Mannheim. So this is my burger. Ito naman yung kay husband. I-open ko lang. Good morning everyone! Nakagising nga lang namin guys. Yung oras ngayon is 7:50 dito sa Germany. So, pupunta ko ng toilet. So guys, tagilamos lang ako. At tinugasan ko din itong cup ni husband. So we're still there. So we're gonna go to another store. So katabi lang yung store guys. Medyo malamig pero carry lang. So pasok kami dito sa isang store para bumili ng Red Bull. I wish I could go back to... Yeah, maybe.
Which one?
Cappuccino, yes.
So you're gonna pay by yourself?
Where is my ticket? So guys, ito yung ticket ko. How about bread, babe?
Huh?
How about bread?
No, later. Now it's drink and go.
So, magbabayad kami guys. So, wala yung pagbayad namin para magamit namin tong ticket.
Hallo? Painong bilik.
Nagbayad kami sa paggamit ng toilet which is 1 euro per each. And bumili kami ng aming drinks. Yung akin is cappuccino. And yung kay husband is Red Bull. So, bali hiwala yung pagbayad namin para magamit namin yung ticket at mabawasan sa binili namin. Kahapon guys, sobrang dami nito. Puno as in. Ngayon, nagsialisa na yung mga trucks. Hello guys. Merong ano? Belam, can you show us this? You also have. This is our trucks. Guys, hotel. Another hotel. There is the gas station. So guys, we already arrived to our delivery address. So tingnan nyo, ang daming papel. Kasi yung i-deliver namin ngayon is galing pa siya ng Switzerland. And i-deliver namin siya dito sa Germany.
Give me that trailer.
And ito guys yung company. Yan yung name ng company. Roche. See you later. So, pumunta na nga si husband sa office para mag-register. Ito naman guys yung board computer. So, kailangan kong i-click itong start unloading. Ito sa taas. Para aware yung company and yung company namin na nandito na kami para i-unload yung goods. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung i-unload namin dito. Kasi kahapon, nung hapon sa gas station, yung katrabaho ni husband, nagpalit sila ng trailer. Kasi yung katrabaho niya, galing ng Switzerland. So, actually dapat pupunta din kami ng Switzerland kahapon. Kaso hindi kami makakarating ng Switzerland. Kaya minabuti ng boss ni husband na magpalit na lang kami ng trailer dun sa area na yon. Mag-exchange sila ng trailer. So, babalik ulit yung katrabaho niya and mag-stay na lang kami dito sa Germany. Kasi yung driving time ni husband is 0 nung pagdating namin sa gas station. Kasi kailangan kasing i-deliver yung loads ng 10 AM sa Switzerland. Hindi aabot yung time kasi kailangan pa namin mag-rest ng 9 hours bago kami makapag-start ng driving. So guys, i-zoom natin. Hanapin natin si husband. Where he is? He is now here. I think okay na yung papers. And nag-proceed na kami para pumasok sa loob.
Hello.
I keep saying, my love, my love.
Your sharp eyes when you need to follow. And we need to go to house 171. 171 to this one. It looks like this. So we need to go drive inside, drive there, dicks.
Can I see?
The map, so you need to watch.
Look at the map. So we need to follow this map para mahanap namin yung ramp. So guys, nahanap na namin yung ramp kung saan kami nag-park. So nakapark na yung aming truck. Look at that! It's flooding. So guys, finally natapos nang i-unload yung goods. So, dediretso na kami sa next address. Pupunta kami sa Haarhausen, Germany.
Manuprāt, iespējams korupcijas riski šeit pieķerti tagad ir Rīgas domē.
Okay, DHL. So guys, mag-stop kami dito sa gas station para bumili ng food. Naghanap lang kami kung saan kami pwede mag-park. This is... My husband already hungry. That's why... Otherwise, we will gonna eat only later. Because most of the time, we only eat in the afternoon. Not in the morning. No? Look at that. It's so cute. Before guys, nung nag-drive si husband sa America, binilhan niya ako ng ganito. Dinala niya sa Philippines. Cutie cutie. Oh, it's a big one. Ta-da! They also have cup. Nice one. It's so cute. And this one. Weird but yeah. Dito na si husband. Okay, let's choose what we can find here. This is the sausage. So ito guys yung food. Sausage.
What it was €3.50 now. Then.
We also have sandwich. How about the sausage, babe? It's not. Maybe the sausage, no?
You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will try the sausage. So I will gonna buy this sausage. Wow, it's jumbo. Look at that. It's so big. It's so long. And then we have bread here.
They also have this.
They also have that. Oh, they are wrapping. This is what we order. Sausage and bread. So kasama na siya sa menu. And meron din siyang sauce. I think this is mayonnaise. So we're gonna... So parang siyang broche. So let's try the sausage.
Oh my
Ang haba. Meron siyang ano, parang siyang balat. I think it's good combination if I were gonna put in the bread.
But burrito, it's 5 euros per place, 2, 3. These things,
No.
only one.
I will rate this sausage 5 out of 10. Guys, we already arrived here in Horhausen. So, yung ilo-load namin today is yung ganito. Ano siya? ADR. Hindi ako sure kung ano nga ba yung i-deliver namin. Basta ito siya. So, ganyan guys yung ilo-load namin sa truck. So, yan. We are now going home
Yabadabadu.
after a long driving.
What's the time now? 1945.
So, 1945, nag-start kami kanina ng 7:45.